India's first police drone unit, launched in Chennai for aerial surveillance. The Greater Chennai City Police (GCP) launched India's first police drone unit for aerial surveillance over vast areas and quick detection of criminal activities. Director General of Police (DGP) and Head of Police Force C. Silendra Babu inaugurated the newly created special unit at Besant Avenue, Adyar, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, TN. The unit was established at a cost of 3.6 crore rupees. About Police Drone Unit. The unit, which has a total of 9 drones under 3 categories: quick response surveillance drones, heavy lift multi-router drones, and long-range surveying plane, and 20 trained police personnel. These drones are equipped with built-in artificial intelligence (AI) facilities and can be operated up to 10 kilometers from the ground station. Currently, the drones are operated around Marina and Elliott's beaches. Users. The drones have a thermal object imaging facility and will detect if any suspect has a knife or some other objects on his body. Using this facility, night patrolling will become much easier, and based on information provided by drones, the suspects could be caught easily. The drones will be used to monitor movements at isolated places as well as uniting antisocial elements. Also, drones could be used to read the number plates of vehicles.